Hey y'all, welcome back to Modified. Check this out. My buddy's got a 2012 Ram. We're about to sit it on some 22s and we're gonna do the brakes real quick, put some cross-drilled slotted rotors on it and some pads. And later on, we're gonna do a 2.4 drop and get it ready for scraping the coast next year. Check it out. So what we got is some of these really cool looking tires. They got some nice tread on them. They look just like a Kumho, but there are some probably the same company, 285, 45, 22s. We just saw a really cool tread pattern and said, you know what, that's the size and that's the look. I'm gonna go with some of these cross-drilled slotted rotors from my favorite eBay place. Not sponsored. Let's see, check these things out. They come coated with this awesome finish. And they're slotted and drilled for cooling. We got some new pads, front and rear. And what's in the box? Well, I already opened these three. Y'all got a sneak of that. We got some OE wheels. Chrome 22x10s. With the 5 on 5.5 bolt pattern, 25mm offset, just like the stock ones. We were looking to go with torque thrust. They make a torque thrust in a 22x10, but it's a little wide on the offset. We're gonna lower the 2 forward springs. We'll see how big these look on the truck. When I took the other ones out of the box, it's just impressive to look at. So, like I said, I love opening new wheels. Look at this thing. I mean, they don't make manhole lids this big. And I get it. I know there's bigger wheels out there. But a split 5, that's going to do right on this truck. I mean, they made an SRT8 or SRT10 in the Daytonas. It's just a Hemi extended cab. We're going to make it look right. Look at that. It's huge. So we got some new valve stems with the sensors in them. We're going to plug them in there and throw the 285, 45, 22, which is the stock tire, stock height. It's not going to throw up the speedometer or anything. Get these old dingy 20s off, put these new chrome 22s on. Do some brakes, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So I still got Project Slick Dog up on the lift, so I'm going to be doing this old school on a jack, just like I used to back in the day. But here it is, 2012, 2011 Ram. They don't look bad. Truck's in really good shape, 5.7 Hemi. Already did the D-Nasty special exhaust on it. So good. If y'all have been watching the channel for a while, this is the truck that brought me to meet Baller in his 2500 Chevy to go get my lifts and everything. And getting on the interstate, the exhaust note is just perfect. It's just muffler delete, but you can't beat a Hemi for exhaust sound. So that's kind of like a little quick walk around of the 2012 Ram. I'm gonna do some brakes real quick. I keep saying that, but we're gonna do some brakes real quick and put some 22s on it, swap them 20s out. So this is basically an 11 by 33 or 33 by 11 wide. They are directional. So I gotta make sure I got 2 going one way and 2 going the other. So this tire rotates this direction on the rim, which will be the driver's side. Pour me a little tire juice on here. Buddy Ryan hooked me up when I did the exhaust on his blue Mustang. 4.8 swapped LS, new edge, like an 02-ish Mustang. Got me some of this. So for all y'all ain't using WD-40. And then we got the new tire stem with the pressure sensor. Get the hole. Pulls it right in. So this way we can get that light off the dashboard too. So this tire needs to point this way, driver's side. Yes. But that's it. Put about 40 pounds in it. Bottom bead set at 15. 20. So I'm gonna throw this one on the balancer. Do some brakes real quick. I mean real quick, like in a snap. And throw some 22s on it. Show what it looks like. Pull out on the street. For being such a big wheel and tire, it's actually pretty light. Big old boys there. Double zeros. In there, babe. All right, old and busted. New hotness, like they said in Men in Black. I don't know about busted, but it's definitely old. That's like, man, we just went to sport truck, just going from, look how small that 20 looks compared to the 22 and that giant wheel arch. It's gonna be better already without the 2.4 drop we're about to do. So let's put these on here. And when I get the Project Slick Dog off the rack, we're gonna throw some 2.4 springs on this Ram, make it sport truck ready. And before scraping next year, we'll throw some freaking cool decals on it and decal it up. I'm gonna do these brakes in the order that you would bleed the brakes, starting with the passenger side rear, driver side rear, passenger side front, driver side front, because I'm just working off a jack. So let's go take these wheels off, change the brakes, put the new ones on. Then we're gonna change the brakes. That wasn't too bad. Put Larry Hoover on there. Like a glove. I'll take it. So when we do the stripes and everything, we're gonna paint the calipers. But we haven't painted the calipers yet because we haven't done the stripes. You know what I'm saying? Makes perfect sense. Huh? They're good looking wheels. Just everything's gotten so big. The 22s just look normal now. We're gonna fix that fender well gap though. We're gonna do a 2.4 spring drop, I promise. There it is. 20 from 20 by 9s to 22 by 10s. And they still fit right down the side of the truck. Just like they're supposed to. We're gonna turn my buddy's Ram into something hot. Just another sport truck to roll out of the yard. I'm building sport trucks now, I guess. That's my buddy's 2011 Ram extended cab, rim swap and brake upgrade. Thank y'all for watching Modified, appreciate it. Next time you'll see this Ram, it's gonna be 2 inches lower in the front and 4 inches lower in the back, and we're gonna show you how I do that. Catch y'all next week, later.